Hi, I am Magdi. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a very easy almond cake. It tastes good with coffee or anything you desire. For beginners, I will show you step by step what I do, and that way you can follow me easier. So if you know everything, just skip it. And if you don't like almond, don't make it. So before I start to baking, I like to measure my pan. I did, and then you pinch a feel, make sure you have the idea how big is it. Don't forget, I'm showing this for beginners. Now I can place it in my pan. And because I cut in one corner, it lays together very nicely at the corner, as you can see. And I like it to leave two sides a little bit longer because that way I can lift it out. So I like to make everything easy, little by little. This is a little vanilla, like a teaspoon of vanilla. And later on I will add a little almond extract, and this gives you an extra good flavor. Now I can even put the half a teaspoon of baking powder, and I add a pinch of salt, and let me mix it. Getting a little bit thicker, so you have to beat it until it gets a little bit thicker. Now slowly I can add the sugar, half a cup of sugar. Much thicker, the pale yellow. Teaspoon of almond extract. Mix it. And now I can add the almond flour. You can sift it, but I don't sift it because I know I worked with this like so many times, and very good. I'll show you how easy you can make things because, and this is all the things you have to do with this. Let me take off. This almond extract give you an extra good flavor, more almondy taste. Sorry about my skylight, so I cannot do anything with that, so I will add it to my pan. You see, it's very easy to do. That's it. And now I try to move it until to the corners. So, and then I do this once, and then I have the sliced almond. And you can toast it if you want to, but today I didn't feel like to. So you have to try once, like not toasted, next time. Or you can play with that half you toast it, do it with the sprinkle with the toasted almond. Next time you can try which one side you like that. I like almond, so I put a lot. Sorry, I can run to the camera all the time, change the scenery because I film myself. So I am showing you how nice that looks. I hope you can see it. And now I will put it in the oven. My oven was turned on for 340 and warm it up, and now it's warm enough. I can place it in, and I will bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. It depends. When it's too jiggly, then you add about 5 more minutes. But try with the 25 minutes first. So this goes in the oven now. So it's done, you can see, and I let it cool. Or basically what I will do, because I told you I have the two sides, I can lift it up and let it cool here. then I can show you how I serve it. So make sure it's full before you cut in. You can serve it like this. I like the corners, so I never cut it off. With just powdered sugar or just enhance the flavor. I have orange marmalade and I put it on the top. And okay, and that's all the sugar I have to use. What is it in the marmalade or whatever, half a cup of sugar, and then you have that big cake. I wish you the best baking with me. I hope you like it. This is the finished cake and it's delicious. If you like what I do, please subscribe and like my videos. It helps me a lot. And thank you.